Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have compatible Airpods and a paired device. Now enable active noise cancellation. On iPhone, open Control Center and press the volume slider until device options appear. On Mac, click the volume or Bluetooth icon. Then choose Noise Control and select Noise Cancellation. If you use Android, install the manufacturer app or use Bluetooth settings and toggle ANC in supported controls. Once done, you should feel ambient noise drop. Make sure both AirPods report connected and battery levels are adequate. You want ANC to block noise without isolating you from important sounds. Start by fitting the correct silicone tips. Test seal by cupping the earbud and listening. Next, compare noise cancellation to transparency mode to understand what each preserves. Then play a familiar track or a spoken passage at moderate volume to detect bass bleed or wind noise. Adjust ear tip fit and ANC toggle until voices drop but audio remains natural. Make sure to retest in different environments, like transit or a cafe, for consistent results. You're nearly done. Perform final checks to ensure consistent ANC. Inspect and clean ear tips and meshes gently. Debris can reduce isolation and ANC effectiveness. If ANC cuts out or sounds distorted, toggle noise cancellation off and on, then restart or repair your AirPods. If problems persist, update AirPods firmware and your device OS, and finally reset the AirPods in case of firmware glitches. Troubleshooting tip. If ANC still fails, test another device to isolate whether headphones or phone are the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.